Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Target and I'm looking for mini brands, especially the toy mini brands. I think that they're so cute. But first I found these little scritters and I think they talk to each other, and if you press their forehead they talk to you. So I think those are super cute for somebody on your Christmas list who likes monsters. But I'm looking for mini brands, but these sequin stuffed animals are super cute. They have a panda, they have a unicorn, and they also have a sloth. So, and this whale is super cute. But I want the mini brand toy edition. But the regular mini brands is something that some people on my Christmas list want. So that's why I'm looking for them today. But I thought I would show you some of the toys as I'm shopping and looking for mini brands. So they have a lot of new stuff I haven't seen before. And this is kind of like the girly doll aisle. They have the Rainbow High dolls. And they have so much LOL. And LOL has so many different mystery surprises. And here's a little like bin full of the LOL balls. Then on the end cap they have this really cool slime. It's like the Mix-'em slime. Mix and mash. And some scented slime. And then they have these Pound Puppy newborns. They are super cute. They also have the larger size of these here on the end cap. They have the large ones, and then they have the newborns. Super cute. They also have Light Bright, Strawberry Shortcake, and Etch-a-Sketch. And then this is the Our Generation aisle. I think this one is super cute. This little pajama set is adorable. So then I finally found mini brands, you guys. I found season 2, and they're the golden eggs. So I'm gonna get a couple of those. And then I'm still looking for the toy ones, but I don't see them anywhere. They have these Unicorn Squad surprise ones. Then they have this Shopkins doll. So I'm still on the hunt for the mini brand toys. They just have season 2, but let me know if you want me to open a mini brands in a video coming up. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.